Hey, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. Today I'm living my full nerd fantasy. I'm gonna make Pączkis, which, to be fair, I'd never heard of until I saw Fantastic Beasts. So, here we go. I'm not a big donut person, but I'm excited to make these. So, we'll see. I got some blackberry jam, because I like blackberries. And I have some that I made, but I didn't have enough of it, so I think I'm just gonna mix it in. So it'll be a partially homemade jam. But yeah, so I guess I'll start the dough because it's gonna take a while. Yeast and rising and then punch it down and then rising, you know, as life does. The recipe calls for a tablespoon of brandy or rum. But the only rum I have is 151. Do you think that's a bad idea? We'll find out. Now that we have risen like a phoenix from the ashes, the world has to punch you back down. That is so... Ew. Okay, that looks gross, actually. Accidental buttholes. Okay. So we have punched this little guy back down, put him back in his place. You know, life's not fair, etc., etc. Okay, now I'm going to recover it and we're going to let it rise for another 45 minutes. Okay, I have quite a few of these to make, but I'm gonna take a little, you know, however you make a tea, time out to try one. Okay, I did go a little bit dark on these guys, but I didn't want to mess them up, and this guy had a splooge out the top, so. The jam is good, but I knew the jam was good because I made it. So... I feel like I should cut this open. Okay, we a little bit doughy, and I'm gonna need to put the tip in my piping bag. I got excited, and you know when you're just like, oh, gotta do this, boop, 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 and you don't put the tip in first. Anyways. Oh, okay. That's really good. This project's really making me reevaluate my distaste of donuts. So I did that that first little bit the like traditional way, which is just rolling them in granulated sugar and filling them with jam. But you can also, you can fill them with whatever. You can fill them with custard if you wanted, which I kind of wish I'd made. But I didn't, so moving past that. But instead of granulated sugar, you can roll them in powdered sugar. So I do have some powdered sugar, and I'm going to do that for a couple too. What are we making next week? Which is almost this week. Because it took forever to do it. Okay. I'm going to do Peru. Suspiro de la Miña? I don't remember what that is. Think. Anyways, focus. Who has it? I don't. I think that one's a dessert. Maybe. I don't know. We're just guessing at this point. But yeah, I'm going to fry up the rest of these, and then I'll probably freeze most of them. Thanks. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm gonna go try not to burn myself. Okay? Okay. I'll see you next Tuesday. I've been watching too much Magicians.